Hi guys! Namaste. So today I'm going to show you how to purify your apartment, either when you're about to move into a new place or when you feel that maybe energy got stuck, or even sometimes, people might have the experience of normal activities around the house. So whatever purpose, this is an easy way to purify. So the things you need are an oven rack, and this is really important because you don't want to burn your carpet like we have here.
Yeah.
And then just to make sure that it is super secure, to use the piece of your oven. And then we bought a little glass bowl, which we are not going to use for anything else.
It looks beautiful.
And then I'm just taking a little bit Epsom-salt. So Epsom-salt is my favorite choice.
It smells kind of good.
Yeah, and there's some lavender inside.
Oh,
so
that one smells different.
Yeah, it smells different. Has a nice side effect.
And
Yeah.
we're doing, to get all the spirits out, we're doing it to move in.
Yes.
And we're also doing it for the last people who came here.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Then
What's
I'm
that?
using rubbing alcohol.
Oh, I don't like alcohol. Yeah, no.
You will be surprised when everything is finished. Actually, it does smell quite well. Okay. This
Can I
one.
smell this?
And
Wait,
then
can I smell?
now it doesn't smell so good. So now let's sit
Oh,
back,
it smells
please.
so awesome.
Okay,
It
sit
smells
back.
awesome. Okay.
We're using a safety light, okay? And then we're just gonna burn it. So all windows and all doors need to be closed. And this you're gonna do step by step in every room. So we did already everything last week. Everything has been purified in our house,
Except for the living room.
except for the living room. Okay.
Let's wait till the fire comes.
Okay, and the fire is here, and now even, you can sit and just take a moment and welcome your new house.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Please blow away the spirits that are in our
Yes.
house. And I want to say something else.
Okay.
Please take the ghosts out. I just got freaked out from something. I think it's a ghost. Make good smells everywhere. And good spirits. And everything.
So that's your moment of silence. Easy.
Can we do huya huya?
You want to do the Indian huya huya? I was actually more thinking of practicing some dharma, some control.
How can I do it?
Well, you just concentrate on the flame and don't move. That's a good idea. Just keep seated. Practice your concentration. Just look at the flame. That's the best way to practice concentration. And not so close. Step a bit back.
It's just so awesome on the fire.
That little monkey mind goes chatter, chatter, chatter all the time.
Now it's a great big
Okay, now it's Rosie's birthday today. Let's bake this for birthday
yeah.
candle, okay?
I wish I could blow it.
No. Why would we not blow it? What happened if you blow it? It's gonna set the whole house on
It's
fire.
a wish from me. I wish Rosie's birthday is going to be today super special.
No, okay, obviously
and
we're
I
not
wish
getting
Rosie
our
will grow a little bit. Let's do China now.
practice. Obviously we can continue talking. So basically what the flame and the Epsom salt does now, it absorbs all the negativity, all the bad vibes, everything we don't need to move in here. This flame is absorbing now, and once the flame is settled down, you please wait for a while and then let the glass cool down, and then you dispose everything into your toilet and you set that thing aside. And James, please do not blow the candle, please. It's not a joke. So if any children are watching, please do not attempt to do this without mama or papa, and please do not blow the flame. Yeah? Why do we not blow the flame?
You make the house fire and then we have to pay 205 million.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get deported if we set this house on fire.
And maybe we'll get.
No.
Oh no. See how it's glowing like that? I think it's almost gonna stop and settle down.
Yeah, let's settle down.
Now it's a squid, and now it's a guy killing something or something. Now it's a guy chopping something. Now it's a what is it? Now it's a mountain. Now it's a guy fighting sound. Now ghosts doing Now it's copying everything we did. Oh, we didn't chop. It would look like Huya. It's gone. Oh wait.
Okay, now the
Now it's
flame is
just
settled. Okay, so let's just say this room has been purified and we are ready to move in. Thank you. And subscribe to my channel. Namaste, and I see you very, very soon.
Bye. Bye.